Hi friends! Alright, today we're going to be reading a story called Animal Teams by Rachel Mann. And this week we have been talking about how do animals help each other. So today we are going to be reading about unusual animal partners that help each other. I'm really excited. This is a cool story. This story is non-fiction. That means that it's telling us facts and it really happened, or telling us facts. All right, here we go. I would like you to try to read. I know some of the words are kind of hard, but I think you can do it. So follow along and do your best. Here we go. Can a small bird help a big giraffe? Can a shrimp help a fish? Yes, they can. These may seem like odd friends, but many animals work together in teams. These animals help each other in lots of ways. Let's find out how. Some birds live off the backs of big animals. Why do the animals let the birds stay? The birds help. They eat bugs off the animal's skin. The big animals help the birds too. They keep the birds safe. And it is a good deal for them because they have lots of sweet bugs to eat. The goby fish and the blind shrimp make a good team. The shrimp can't see, so the goby helps. The goby looks out for danger, and the shrimp stays close. When the goby flicks its tail, it means that it is time to hide. The shrimp helps the goby too. It will go into a hole to hide. It lets the goby hide here. Too, the shrimp and the goby hide until it is safe to go out. Zebras and wildebeest live on the hot plains. They both like to eat grass all day. These animals are seen together a lot. Why? They stay together because they can help each other find fresh grass to eat. They also help each other keep safe. If a zebra or a wildebeest spots danger, it runs. This tells the rest to run too. Many fish want to eat the little clownfish. It needs a safe home, so it lives in a sea anemone. The clownfish is safe because most fish stay away. Why? The sea anemone stings, but the clownfish cannot feel its sting. The clownfish helps its partner too. It swims in and out, in and out. It chases away a big fish that could hurt its pal. A caterpillar needs to be safe so that it can grow. Who will help? Ants will. Ants see the caterpillar and take it to a safe place. Why do ants do this? The caterpillar has a sweet liquid on its skin. The ants like the taste. Soon the caterpillar will be a pretty blue butterfly. When a little cleaner fish wants to eat, it looks for bigger fish to clean. Why? It gets a free meal when it cleans. A cleaner fish eats the pests off of other fish. The big fish want to be cleaned. They line up and wait for the cleaner fish to get to them. One is big and one is small, but the two are a team. When animals team up, they do what is best for both of them. All right, so we learned lots about animals, right? And the main idea from this story was what? Animals working together, right? Let's go back and think of some animals that helps, right? Let's look at this last picture. The bird helps the hippo, right? It eats insects off of them. And the hippo helps protect the bird. Okay? The cleaner fish helps the big fish by cleaning them, right? And the big fish helps the cleaner fish by what? Giving them food to eat. Right? We learned about lots of different animals, caterpillars and ants, clownfish and sea anemones, zebras and wildebeest and how they help each other, goby fish and blind shrimp. We learned about lots of different ways that animals can help one another. Now, if you have time, I want you to replay the video and read along with me and see if you learn a new fact that maybe you didn't catch the first time. See you next time. Bye.